Hi folks, have you ever had pain in this part of your wrist right here? All right, this is very common, especially if you've been that type of person who has done a lot of repetitive gripping and grasping and maybe a lot of motion to the wrist like this. You can develop arthritis in this area called the CMC joint. Now, what I want to do today is talk to you about my favorite brace for assisting you so that you can immobilize this a little bit, but still use your hand and your wrist for your everyday activities. But I think it's important to make sure and differentiate the difference between this joint and a tendon problem that you can have right over the back of the thumb and wrist right here. So basically, if you think you have arthritis, it is painful to touch on the back side of the wrist, on this side, and then right around to the front like this. That whole area will be uncomfortable to touch. Now, if it's a tendon problem up in this area here, then that's most painful when you take the hand and you bring it over to the side like this, and you have discomfort just to touch along these tendons right here. But that will not be painful on the front and the back like arthritis of this region. So what we want to do is try to stabilize this so that when you utilize your thumb and your hand, it works a little bit better. Because what you'll notice is this part of your wrist is going to start to pop out a little bit. It becomes a little unstable. It makes it harder for your thumb to function well. So I have this brace here. It's called the Comfort Cool CMC Restriction Splint. And basically, you put it on like this. It's a little bit on the tight side for me. For this one here, but I'm going to show you how it functions and how it works. So basically, the brace comes on like this. And what we want to do is stabilize this part of that joint I was just telling you about. So the nice part about this is that this strap comes right around like this and then over the top, and you can put it on this piece of Velcro. So now we have this compression over here in a nice, soft, comfortable brace. It's like a neoprene that gives you that compression. It gives you some stability, but it still allows you to utilize your hand and your thumb. And I have a lot of success with this, especially when people have that bump over here that can be uncomfortable with a hard brace. Sometimes the braces can be quite long and really immobilize your hand and wrist, so it doesn't allow you to use your arm very well. But this is really nice. It's comfortable and allows a lot of mobility. Very easy to use. And that's the Comfort Cool CMC restriction brace. And I would highly recommend this as a starting point if you haven't seen a provider yet to have that addressed. But that is the brace that I like to use, and hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks.